Well, hello everyone, and today we're back with a very special new series called LAF Tech Review, and this is episode number 1. Today we're going to be talking about Windows 8, new software from Microsoft. Latest operating system, works on desktops, laptops, and tablets. That's what they were aiming towards with their new release. It has 3 versions, RT, Standard, and Pro. It works for x86, which is 32-bit, and x64, which is 64-bit, and it has both desktop mode and the Metro mode, which we'll talk about later. Actually, no, we'll talk about it right now. Metro mode is basically where you have all of the tiles on your screen, like that. Looks like a tablet. When you start Windows 8, you automatically start into Metro mode, and it's made up of many tiles that you can customize any way you like. It's actually a new version of the Start menu. And I find it's easier to click on a big icon than sort through a list of programs like you did in Windows 7 and Vista XP. But then if you still can't find something in this list, you can just type to search just on Windows 7. There's not any search bar, but you can just begin typing and it'll automatically search for you. So that's pretty cool. Some people think it's just for tablets. That's completely wrong. It works fine on desktop computers and laptop computers. It's really good, actually. To see your desktop, you can hold down the Windows key and press D, and you go right to it. Or you can just press the desktop button in your Start menu. Your Metro Start menu, of course. And some people think it's much harder to use than Windows 7. That's again completely wrong. It's the same desktop as before. Nothing has changed. It's actually Windows NT 6.2 for a reason. Windows 7 was 6.1. Windows Vista was 6.0. So basically Windows 8 was built on top of Windows 7, which is built on top of the Vista code. They didn't literally reuse the code, but you get the idea. And there's also new useful shortcuts. If you move your mouse to the bottom left corner, where the Start menu was, you can just click and it opens the Start menu in Metro mode. And if you right click there, you get this menu, which gives you programs and power options, your device manager, command prompt, task manager, control panel, run. It's very convenient for that kind of stuff if you're looking for it. And you can still minimize all your windows by moving your mouse to the bottom right corner, as was in Windows 7. Also in the bottom right corner, if you kind of move your mouse up, you'll see this menu, where you can get search, share, start, devices, settings. And then you also need to remember that when you're in Metro apps, right-clicking is used a lot to open additional menus. That's helpful if you're searching for some setting or option that you want to change. Right-clicking the Start screen will give you an option to see all apps, which will just give you a big list like you had seen before in Windows 7. And then you can find the app that you need. Both Metro apps and regular desktop apps show up in Metro. It's just like a regular Start menu. So, some more useful shortcuts are you can press the Windows key to go to your Metro Start screen anytime. You can hold the Windows key and press D to go to your desktop at any time. Or you can hold the Windows key and press C to open the sidebar menu. The one with devices and share, search, start on the right hand side. Windows key plus C. Just kind of like Control Alt Delete, where you hold down Control Alt, but instead you hold down Windows key and then press C. The user interface is updated. It no longer has the transparent window effects, and that makes it less laggy on your desktop for slower computers. A lot of Windows 8 is performance upgrades. It's been tweaked a lot since Windows 7 so that your basic desktop and Windows programs have less lag, which is always very good. I had to skip one. When you first install it, you'll probably want to make your link to the Microsoft Live account when you first sign up for Windows 8. It makes things more convenient. Your email is automatically synced if you use Hotmail, Live, or Outlook. It makes setup faster. If you ever get a Windows 8 computer, a different one, your Metro settings will still be saved, I'm pretty sure, over your Windows account. It's pretty cool. You don't have to change anything when you get a new PC. And more, once you get that all done, everything's set up, it starts you into Metro mode, which you can explore. Or you can just go straight to the desktop tile to go to the desktop, Again, the other shortcut is hold down Windows key and press D. Things may look a little bit different, but let's get some familiar icons back. Right-click anywhere on the desktop and choose Personalize, and this window will come up. And then you can click Change Desktop Icons up there on the left, and then you want to make sure the checkboxes for Computer, Recycle Bin, and Users Files are selected. And that will give you your familiar desktop icons of Computer, Recycle Bin, and your documents. But how do you shut your computer down? There's no power button. Move your mouse to the bottom right corner and click on the settings logo that comes up. Click power, click shutdown. There you go. It's not that hard. So many people have been complaining about this, how there's no straightforward shutdown button in Windows 8. I can agree that it's kind of hidden, but I mean, even if you didn't know, it'd just be a quick Google search to figure out how to do it. So I don't know why people are complaining. That's pretty dumb. Or if you want to make a shortcut to shut your computer down, which you can pin to your taskbar or you can leave on your desktop, right click and then go to New menu and select Shortcut, and in that box that comes up type shutdown.exe space -s space -t space 00, and then just give it a name like shutdown, and that'll work. If you double click the shortcut, it'll just shut down your computer. And now that you have the basics down, you'll want to installing any drivers or apps that you want. Most things compatible with Windows 7 should work with Windows 8. I really haven't found anything that has had this problem. Yeah, you can install Google Chrome or Firefox, definitely. Internet Explorer is not good. Please do not use it. You might as well just download Chrome or Firefox and set it as your default browser, because there's no point to using Internet Explorer. It's just slower. For Minecraft and Java, of course, because I play Minecraft a lot, I would know this. Install both types of Java 1.7. You want 32-bit and 64-bit, if you have a 64-bit computer, of course. You definitely want both of them, because some Java programs will only run in 32, and some Java programs will want to run in 64, like Minecraft, of course. If you don't have 64, it'll give you that error saying far render distance isn't supported or whatever. And of course, make sure you get up-to-date video card drivers and up-to-date drivers for everything you may have, because otherwise you'll probably get crashes and lag and bad things. If you're going to be running it on SSD, installing a fresh copy of Windows 8 on an SSD, yes, absolutely do it. Your computer will be able to boot up in like 8 seconds if you have a SATA 3 motherboard. If you have a SATA 2 like me, it's more like 25. But that's still pretty good, considering before it was like 50. Having a Windows 7 computer and installing a new copy of Windows 8 on an SSD, that's what I did. Or moving your Windows installation from HDD to SSD, again, that's what I did. Basically, good luck. I had many problems doing this with my computer, and there's little information online to help with installation because Windows 8 is so new. It ended up being a problem with one of my BIOS settings, with the method in which the hard drive was operating. But yeah, good luck doing that. Because I mean, it might work out, but it did not work very well for me. But I finally figured everything out. And with that, Windows 8 is great so far, but it's easy to blame other problems on it, like my problems with the SSD, and some problems with bad video card drivers that I need to fix, and problems with games having flickering effects, actually because I was getting too much FPS. And problems with Minecraft server not working, but really it was just Java errors and permissions of folders and stuff, because servers need special permissions. And with Service Pack 1 and 2, it'll only get better. So buy it. It's not worse than Windows 7. It's actually slightly better. It's faster, less laggy. Because of the new menus, it's also very good. Metro Mode is convenient for looking at your email, Twitter, weather, news, whatever, while I still have other stuff up on the desktop. And I would definitely recommend it if you're willing to learn the 3 new simple actions you need to use in Windows 8. Yeah, it's so hard to learn 3 new things. And for basically the same price as Windows 7, you might as well buy the new version. And with that, thank you for watching this video, and subscribe for more of these reviews. I'll definitely be doing more in the future of all kinds of tech stuff, maybe even like hardware and software technology, old technology, maybe even like programming and math or video games and car things. I'm going to be getting a car in a few weeks. I might do a video about that kind of stuff, or I don't know. It's all technology, so I mean, it really is all technology. So I might as well do videos. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time, next tech review or next video, regardless of what I make. So yeah, see you guys next time.